I made a video last time. A lot of you requested I talk about shower gels that can be used without body lotions. Lightening and whitening shower gels that can be used without body lotions. When using these shower gels, you do not need to worry about using body lotions. Your body oils can actually really do the job, or moisturizer. So I'm going to explain to you in few minutes. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about shower gels that can be used without body lotions. I'm not saying if you have your body lotions, you want to pair it with them, you cannot. But for those people who do not like using body lotions, and for those people who are trying to save up whilst lightening their skin, so these shower gels are shower gels that would lighten your skin, repair your skin, remove blemishes, and all of those skin issues. So yeah, if this is something that will interest you, you want to do well to keep on watching.
Hold me close till I get up.
Hey you guys, welcome right back. This is Lita here. If this is your first time, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about shower gels that can be used without body lotions. But however, I'm going to be talking to you guys or telling you moisturizers to actually go for. You can use these shower gels alongside your moisturizers and your body oils and get people complimenting your skin. So yeah, if you've not subscribed to this channel, endeavor to do that. Follow me on Instagram with the handle on the screen. Without further ado, let's delve straight into it. Now, the shower gels I'm going to be listing out, they're affordable, accessible, and very effective. Like, they will give you value for your money. Some are pricey and some are not. And when I say pricey, like, there's no one here that is up to 7,000. Of course, you can't even, at this point be so sure because of the increments and things recently. So yeah, you can't really tell, but yeah, trust me, they are affordable, and no matter what, they are definitely going to give you value for your money. One thing I love about most of the product I've talked about before or in the past is that the products are very, very, very accessible. You will not find stress, or you will not be stressing looking or trying to restock when you're out of them. So yeah, the very first one I have here is the GLUTATHIONE shower gel. Now, this is a clarifying shower gel, and it also exfoliates the skin. Shower gels that does exfoliate the skin does not just lighten your skin, it also helps to remove dead skin cells, thereby unclogging your pores, getting your skin ready for the main job to be done. For people who would ask, does it mean that shower gels that contain exfoliating properties does also exfoliate the skin? Yes, they do really exfoliate the skin, and they are very concentrated. Like, they are concentrated shower gels that are like mainly formulated for people with tough skin or problematic skin. GLUTATHIONE shower gel is a clarifying shower gel and also exfoliate the skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells. Now, like I said earlier, exfoliating shower gels are well concentrated shower gels to help unclog your pores, removing dead skin cells, and also giving you that lightening effect, because yeah, like I said, they are concentrated, and because of that, they tend to tackle major skin concern as well as also lightening your skin. The very second one on my list here is the Fair and Glow shower gel. This contains alpha arbutin, it contains kojic acid, and yeah, it's a very, very nice shower cream. It contains milk that will also help to like nourish your skin and give you that effortless glow apart from lightening your skin.
Next up on my list is the Blemish Care Snow White Whitening Shower Gel. Now, Blemish Care comes in different variants, okay? The particular one I'm talking about is the one you're seeing on your screen, and it's their Snow White. Why I chose this one is because it is very, very, active. Yeah, it will not leave your skin feeling irritating, or rather, it will not irritate your skin. It will not give you dark knuckles, stretch marks, or any, reverse effect. Now, you guys, I'm going to first of all apologize for using a voiceover, because this was my third attempt trying to film this video, and my lighting kept going off and on, so I just needed to opt in for voiceover. So please kindly bear with me, okay? Now back to the topic. Blemish Care Snow White Shower Gel is very nice. I'm sure that if you try it, you're going to love it. Now, I don't know why a lot of people tend to complain about this particular product like Blemish Care Shower Gel, because I've talked about it here a whole lot. Now, some people tend to complain that it gives them white patches, others will say it does not work and all of that. Truth is, I don't know where you get yours from, and I'm not paid, or I wasn't paid to film this video, but Blemish Care does really work, trust me, okay? Now, getting that off the way, the very next one on my list here is the K Brothers, like the famous popular, shower gel. I can tell you for a fact or for free that this shower gel is one of the most trendiest shower gels, one of the most talked about. Some have their ugly experience, others have like beautiful experience and whatnot. Trust me, I've had my own fair share of K Brother shower gel, as I've used it. Trust me, I've used it and it was a fail for me because I got the fake one. Then I didn't know that much about skincare products. I know better now. Okay, now it comes in 3 different variants targeted to meet like different skin tones. Okay, yeah, skin tones. Now they have the one for 5 days, 7 days and 10 days. The one in the middle that is made with carrot is for 5 days, and the other one that is made with papaya is for 7 days. The gold one is for 10 days. Now the one I used was the one for 10 days. Now I had my reasons because I didn't want it to irritate my skin because I have not used it before. So in order for me to be on the safe side, I opted for the 10 days one, and trust me, it was a fail because I invested in the fake one. Okay, but then again, they are very nice if you can lay your hands on the original one. So one thing that a lot of you do not know is that the 5 days, 10 days, 7 days written on the bottles of this shower gel is just a marketing strategy. It doesn't work like that, but yeah, it's still very much active. But again, it doesn't work like that. Like I said, it's a marketing strategy. The numbering there or the assurance of it working in 5 days, 7 days, as well as 10 days is just to tell you that the 5 days one is more active than the other 2 variants. So if that explains better. So now if the 5 days one is more active than the other 2, that means the 7 days one works better than the 10 days one. So in case you just want to whiten up your skin excessively, go for the 5 days one. Now it will not work in 5 days. Like in 7 to 10 days you should start seeing effective result. That's what it basically meant. I don't know if that's a good enough explanation, but yeah, that's the best way I can actually explain it to a layman's understanding. Up next on my list is the base made bleaching bath. Now, trust me, I'm listing out these products because I'm sure that the people that are intending or that are going to start using these products are people who do not intend to use this product with whitening body lotions. That's why I'm recommending the shower gels. Okay, so please do not try to go and start acting smart by going for the shower gels and then still going on ahead to use whitening creams, because if anything does happen, please do not come back to me, because these shower gels are really active. So this right here helps to clear dark spot and also whitens the skin. It also helps in removing blemishes on the skin and also even out the skin tone. And people who have dark spot, dark knuckles, dark feet and dark tough areas of the skin, you can actually use these products, apply on the tough areas or the affected areas, leave it for some time before rinsing off. This shower gel is very active, trust me. Now this milk comes in different variants for different skin colors as well as different skin conditions. Okay, so this one is for people who intend to lighten up or whiten up their skin. And now for people who would ask if this does contain steroids or hydroquinone that would give you a reverse effect. No, it does not contain any of these steroids that will furthermore damage your skin, as it's enriched with natural milk, vitamins and whitening complex. Okay, one thing I love about this particular shower gel is that it does not just whiten the skin just like the name implies. It also cleanses and moisturizes the skin as well. So yeah, it's a very good one, and it comes in a 500 ml bottle that would last you for a while. Up next on my list is the Golden Glow Exfoliating Shower Gel. This is a 7 days whitening shower gel and it's also good for dark spot. It also helps to correct blemishes and whitens the skin as well. It's a carrot based shower gel for people who do not react to carrot. It also contains alpha arbutin and turmeric. Turmeric helps to lighten dark spot and also lightens the skin, correct blemishes on the skin and unifies the skin tone. While alpha arbutin also helps to whiten the skin. So you can see that this lotion, the shower gel is well concentrated to just lighten or whiten your skin the way you want it. Okay, now if you are dark skin, please do not use shower gels like this. If you know you are not light skin already, this particular review is for people who are already light skin that just wants to furthermore enhance their skin tone. And now if you're asking the kind of lotion you can use or pair with this particular shower gels, I would advise you go for nourishing and moisturizing lotions, because I told you guys that shower gels that are meant to whiten the skin has little or no exfoliating little or no moisturizing or nourishing ingredients that will help to nourish your skin. So in order for you to help stay moisturized, or in order for you to stay moisturized and well nourished, you need to pair it with a moisturizing body lotion or a body oil that will help to moisturize your skin. Again, please take moisturizing and nourishment really personal, because it will help go a long way to how effective your skincare product is going to work, if that makes any sense. Yeah, I'm going to end it right here. I hope you guys like this video. If you did enjoy it, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.